Okay, here is the Prius throttle body thing. Now this one, I got smashed in an accident, and so I'm able to take it apart. Look at it. It got replaced with a used one. Now, people will tell you that if your Prius is running rough, you need to clean out in there this butterfly. Let me open it, get some more light in there. There you go. You need to clean that out because it gets dirty. And that is inconceivable to me that any amount of dirt on this plate would affect the running. But I'll tell you what would affect it, if it doesn't close all the way. Now you notice this thing at idle, it closes all the way. Now, if there was a little piece of dirt, and of course it's getting its mixture at that point through this pipe here, that thing. And now if it doesn't close all the way, you know, you could just slam it with the throttle, but you can't because it's electronic, and all you're doing is it's this thing that's always going to return it so gently that maybe a lunk of dirt would not let this close all the way. Isn't that background noise nice? It's from the truck doing work on my street to put in the new internet that'll be obsolete soon. So you can clean these all you want, and I'm sure it'll help. But probably by the time you take it apart, you've already fixed the problem because you probably got out one of those little bitty grains. There's the problem. There's my background noise. Anyway. Okay, this is of interest. Here's the little motor, which got pushed out of the way by the collision, and you can see it's got a little gear in there. It's back up here. Yeah, it's got a little gear in there. And that, now you can see the other side of the gear. Now this seems to actuate this sensor I took off of. This must be a throttle position sensor. And it goes to here. It comes out there and goes to wherever. And then of course, the other part of the equation is a couple of the other wires go to this motor to make the throttle do it what it's supposed to. Now, a great mod, very interesting, would be to take this motor off of here and put on a cable direct pull throttle. It'd be cool to de-automate a Prius. Take all the junk out and make it all manual controls. Now, also you'll notice this thing, it has a little manual control. That is, it's adjustable. The throttle position sensor is adjustable. You can undo these screws and then change the position of this thing a little bit. I got it in the wrong position now. But you've got to engage this with it. But that actually gives a little adjustability to the throttle position sensor. For what, we don't care. We don't need to adjust it. Yeah, but that would be a great mod. Put mechanical linkage to the throttle, put a regular gas tank in, take out the ABS brakes. Oh yeah, you'd have a good working Prius for a long time.